Coming up on this episode of Design to the Nines, I'm going to show you how to tablescape your table step by step for your holiday party. Stay tuned. Hi, I'm Natalie Callahan, and I am so excited you are here today because I have been dying to share my Christmas tablescape tutorial with you for over a month now. So let's get started. One of the first things I do for my tablescapes is start with a white tablecloth. One of the fundamentals of good design is layers. It just adds a lot of depth and richness by adding layers, and so this is also true when tablescaping. And one of the ways I like to do that is by adding wrapping paper over the top of my white tablecloth. Now this also protects my white tablecloth from, drips and spills and food stains to a certain degree. And so it's effective in that way, but it's also another way to add some interest, layer, depth, texture, and all kinds of fun things. So in my room, I have a lot of navy blue, but I also have some accents of green, and I really wanted to bring that out in this tablescape. So one of the ways I'm going to do that is my wrapping paper that I've selected. Now, I debated between these two. I don't know if you can see. This one is kind of like a foil, and it has like a glittery snowflake on it, and it's really pretty. But I have some gold accents in my dinnerware and my chargers and other things that I wanted to really bring out. So I really liked this wrapping paper that I got at Target, and I liked how it has kind of a more satin finish with these shiny gold foil dots, and I think that this is going to be the winner for our tablescape, so I'm going to go ahead and put that on now. In my holiday decor, I have got a lot of sparkle, a lot of gold, a lot of silver, a lot of glitz and glam. So for my next element, I've got this navy blue sequined runner that's going to tie into my decor, add some balance and even more sparkle. So we'll put that on now. I am loving this. I just wanted to point out the fact that I'm using navy blue and green, but these principles can be translated to whatever your decor is. So just pick out colors that are in your existing decor and run with those. Same principles, same ideas. So now that we have our table runners on, we are ready to start setting our table. And this next element I am so excited about. I found these holographic kind of snowflake placemats at Ross for about $2 a piece. They come in packs of 4, so it was $7.99 for a 4-pack, and they're so cute. I'm so excited for them, so let's get those on. So my next element is a gold charger, just from the Dollar Tree. My dishes are next, and I am totally obsessed with these dishes. I scored on them big time. I got these that you can see they say peace, and then others say joy. And I am totally obsessed with them, but I got them at the Hobby Lobby last year, right after Christmas, for 90% off, 90. So they were $1 a piece. You could probably get them for about $5 right now per plate, because they do have them again this year, but 90% off is awesome. So it's $1 a plate, and I am so excited. It's the holiday season, so I felt like the stemware needed just something a little extra. So what I'm going to be doing is attaching little Santa bells to the bottom of the stemware, so every time you take a drink, you get a little holiday cheer. I've been seeing all these Christmas tree folded napkins, and I'm like, oh, I've got to have that. So this is kind of what we're going for, and I'm going to show you how to fold it real quick. I am dying over this. Now we're going to add some finishing touches with the centerpiece items and the goldware. So let's finish it off. My table is all set, ready to go, but we cannot forget about the chairs. Now, sometimes you can just let them be, but this time of year you got to add a little bling. I am done, I'm complete, and I have to say that I am in love. All I need is a dinner party, and I am looking forward to that. So I hope that you learned something new. In the comment section below, I'd love to hear what your favorite element was and maybe what color scheme you would use in your own home. Also, for more great tutorials, make sure you subscribe to this channel below and follow me on all the major social media websites, and make sure you check out designsandnines.com for more great tutorials and the prices and descriptions of where I got all of these items. Thanks so much for watching, and stay tuned for more episodes.